Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be doing a tiny little meal time, so I guess we'll get started. I only have like four gifts. Okay, let's start with the first one. Ooh, an Arctic hood. Thank you so much. Ooh, I love this tie-dye shirt. They're my buddy. Ooh, rare elf bracelet. Auto. Manga. I'll give a back. Phantom hat. I have two. No. Sly the fox. There we go. And wait, no, that's Diamond Moms. Stars. Okay, there you go. This is a rare. Try to guess what it is. Rare on a Monday. Oh, a rare dragon hat. Thank you so much. Animal Jam Rocks from the same person. Oh my god, thank you for the green deer fur. This is one of the best things I've got so far. Thank you so much to everybody who gave me these items. They're really cute. I want to make an outfit with these. Let's make an outfit with that really quick. Let's use my... We're going to make an outfit with this one. I don't want this video to be too short or too long, so we're just going to make a quick outfit with it. Beautiful. Okay. No, this should be white on top, and it should be like a lightish green on the bottom of it, and then this should be a dark green. It's not green. That looks weird. Okay, that looks good. And then there's some green on this. So here's my outfit with 3 of the items I got in the mail time. Thank you so much for this for the people that gave me gifts for this meal time. So shout outs to Lollipop 90853. She's nice. For Linda, I think I can. Blaze mine, I think. I don't know. So, fairy. Yeah, fairy. Let's just call her fairy. And Jammer. Jammer. Thank you guys so much. This means so much to me. And like, comment, and subscribe, and cue the outro.